Hi there. I wanted to play around with Nearpod with you for a little bit. So if you will join me, once you get an account in Nearpod, I think if you say you're the teacher, you can do it for free and just put Colorado State University as your school, or if you have to choose a school, put like an elementary school in Pueblo or something. But once you get in there, you're going to create a lesson and we will start adding slides. And we'll do just a regular slide. And I'm going to choose a template over here on the right. And you can put like your name. So let's just say Sarah Smith. And then you can put text. Well, let's do Sarah Smith's third grade lesson on agriculture. I'm choosing a Colorado standards. I went over here to social studies third grade, and I'm going to do this one here. Standard B, factors that make a region unique, industry and agriculture. So I'm going to do mine on agriculture. And so then I went over here to Google and found some images, and I right clicked and saved this image. I can save some other ones. Save image as ag 2. Click another one. I could do this one and click over here, save images, ag 3, and so on. So I know I'm going to be able to put some images in my Nearpod. So if I upload files here and I do ag 1, then that would be my heading. Okay, and then I'm going to save and exit. Save. And then I'm going to go in and add another slide. Now I want to see 10 slides, and I want the slides to be interactive. So if someone were looking at it, it would be, something that they can do different things. So we'll say add a slide, and let's choose, let's do the standards here. So I would say this is going to be third grade standards. So we could say this is the standard, and we'll just copy and paste B, because you always want to do your standards. Standards, and we'll just say you're going to write an objective too, because it's a lesson. And so if we wanted to do a text here, layout, let's see how I do a text. Okay, we'll do text here, and then I would say the standard, third grade social studies. You always want to put the grade, right? And then I would copy and paste it there. And then I'll probably want to see you write an objective. So you can say objective, and you can say students will be able to identify the characteristics of industry, or let's just say agriculture in Colorado by listing, not listing, by in Colorado by the with accuracy, with 90% accuracy by the, remember we're doing smart objectives, end of the 45-minute class period. Okay, and then I probably want to make this bigger, so I copy and paste it, and I don't know how to make it bigger. I don't know. Okay, it's fine. We'll just leave it like that. All right, save and exit. I want to see, out of the 10 slides, it'd be nice to see several that are interactive. So if we do this one, let's do something interactive. So maybe we wanted to, let's try a video. So if we can insert a video. Oh no, I wonder if I need a YouTube video. Oh, let's do web content. Okay, oh, so let's go over here and do YouTube. My internet's slow today. I'm sorry. Oh, come on. So if I put in agriculture in Colorado, let's see what comes up. So let's just say we included this one. Copy and paste the link. Go back to the Nearpod. Let's do it. Let's see. Oh, I guess I could have done YouTube. Let's see. Let's do YouTube here and see. I don't know. I have a link, so cancel. No, gosh, I don't know. I don't know what this is. Oh. Let's do this. Agriculture in Colorado. Well, I don't have time to mess with this, so because I'm trying to record this in a few minutes. Let me see if I can cancel this. Cancel, yes. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, here we go. Okay, so my second slide, let's try this again. We'll do web content. I'll put my URL that I copied. Save. You can test the link. I'm not going to do that for the sake of time. But let's see if this works. Okay, so there it is. Then we'll add another slide. And this time let's try an activity. So we will do a open-ended question. So list 3 things you learned in the video. And we'll save it. Okay, so that was the 4th slide. And then this one we might have them, let's do another activity. Let's have them draw. So you would say, draw a plant that grows in Colorado. And then I could put a background image if I want to. Let's just try one. So let's do one that I saved earlier. We'll do this one, Ag 2. So they would draw the plot basically right there, which is not, you wouldn't want to use this picture, it's a bad picture. But if you just had like an open field or a grassy field, they could draw a picture right there. And so on. And so that's how you're going to do it. And then you're going to save and exit. I want to see 10 slides. You would call it 3rd grade social studies lesson by Sarah Smith. And then you could put whatever your grade, subject, and then save and exit. And when you go back, it should be right there. Now, if you want to use it in a live participation, you would do that link. If not, I think if you choose student paste, this is what the link that you would get. You would can give this link here and copy the link, and then you might have to give, if you need students to give like submissions, you might do the code, but you would copy the link and then you would paste it in our Blackboard shell. So that's it. That's pretty much Nearpod. Play around with it. There's lots of YouTube videos and resources, but I just want to kind of just show you a little bit about it. All right, looking forward to it. Make a good lesson. Needs to be 10 slides, at least 3 need to be interactive, meaning a drawing, a quiz. I want to see pictures. I want to see videos. I want to see a colorful template. Make it appropriate for your grade level. Thanks, guys. Bye.